Hello children, how are you? Today we will do NCERT Class 7 Chapter 5 Lines and Angles Exercise 5.1 Question number 4. And the question is, find the angle which is equal to its complement. That means an angle is, we have to find an angle and its complement is also of the same measure. So how we will do, what we will do, we will write down let our one angle is, let the angle is x. If one angle is x, then its complement, because they are of same, then its complement is also x. Then its complement is also x. Then equation become x plus x, because they are complement, so it will be 90 degree, or 2x equal to 90 degree. That means x equal to 90 divided by 2, which is 45 degree. So each angle is 45 degree. So this is our answer. Now we do question number 5, which is find the angle which is equal to its supplement. That means angle and supplement, they both are equal. So we write down solution. Let the angle is x, then its supplement is also x, because they are equal. Then its supplement is also x. Then equation become x plus x equal to 180, or 2x equal to 180, or x equal to 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90. So each angle, that means angle and its complement, both are 90 degree. This is the answer. Now we have question number 6. A figure is given to us. Here we have angle 1 and angle 2, and they both are supplementary angles. Okay, that means sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is 180, because they are supplementary angles. It is given in the question and figure is also given there. Now, but the question is, if angle 1 is decreased, that means this angle, whatever the measure is this, if it is decreased, as you can see, it is an obtuse angle. If the angle is decreased, then what changes should take place in angle 2, so that both the angles will remain supplementary? You know, if this angle is decreased, 1 is decreased, that means 2 is increasing in measurement. If one angle is decreasing, because the question is decreasing, so what will happen to angle 2? So our answer is, if angle 1 is decreased, that means the measure is decreased, then measure of angle 2 will increase. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, then we have question number 7, and question number 7 is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? So we have one more question, 7, and question 7 is, can two angles be supplementary? Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are it is a part acute? Okay, if both of them are acute, and second part is if both of them are obtuse, and third part is if both of them are right. This is our question. We will answer this. First part, they ask if both of them are acute, can the angles be supplementary? See, if both of them are acute, that means both of them are less than 90 degree. Okay, if both of them are less than 90 degree, so sum definitely will be less than 180 degree. So if the both of them are acute angles, they cannot be supplementary. So first answer is no, because if both of them are acute, that means both of them angles are less than 90 degree, and if both are less than 90 degree, so sum is definitely less than 180 degree. So answer is no. Two acute angles cannot be supplementary angles. Cannot be supplementary. Our second part is if both are obtuse. See, if both are obtuse, then also they cannot be supplementary. Okay, both are obtuse means both the angles are more than 90 degree, so their sum naturally becomes more than 180. So we will write down no. Two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. This is also no. Okay. Third part is, can both be right angle? Then we can say yes, both can be right angle. Yes, two right angles can be supplementary. Okay, children. Okay, children, if you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.